Nene aiga Kenya Mheshimiwa Musalia Mudavadi nigo rituko ria rero hanyara koba kagwikirana ase enka yaye Mheshimiwa Cyrus Jirongo onyara koba kagosiria obogima bwa yasomo basoka no mobe bwepara nigaikirana ase enka yaye aiga ase omochie o Nairobi bune enchere moyo korwa ENG'ORA ase enchere ya BENE ochi ase EAMATE yaye iyo yatigaire chingaki chiga chobokendu ase agendereire koba kwasa ase agendereire gokwandera okoeroberia okukorora gwe serikali gochia kwaneke buno Mheshimiwa Cyrus Jirongo nachikwegwa eribagario kwenekia amatangaye amaya nigo aikirana ase enkeyo na kuomerana n'abarugi baye nyagosira Cyrus Jirongo batato egati ya abana baye nabo igonyara koba gakwererwa emeroberi yagenderire kwenekiwa goikera boniga Mheshimiwa Cyrus Jirongo nigarachia kwenigwa ase enka yaye ase rituko rirache koba rikurariwa bwango iga amoni amate yaye nabo igo bari batenderete emeroberio yokogenderia okwenigwa kwae.
Yeah, really feel sad about it. Yeah, that God will take care of it.
And what I know Cyrus would do for his friend. Yes, but otherwise we thank you very, very much. His Excellency the President was here. Is that if you can